Hi everyone. Okay, I'm going into the belly of the beast. The nukes have been in the hive for 6 days now. Yeah, this will be day 6. But this morning what I'm going to do is put the honey boxes on and put my syrup feeders on there. So that's what I'm going to do. I'm not going to be diving right into the hive this morning. I just want to add these boxes and the syrup feeders. Okay, so here we go. I'm going to put these shims underneath the boxes first because I want to just shim the boxes up. And just be careful, honey, because you don't have a suit on, so. Hi, little bees. It's Daddy. I should have done this to begin with, but I didn't. So we're just. It's all right. Well, here we go. Okay. That's just so that any rain or moisture that gets in is going to run to the front. Okay, let me get my stuff here ready. I'll do one box at a time. Hang on, hold it open. There we go. Not really smoking too well, is it?
Yeah, it's going.
It is? Alright. Okay, so we're going to put the green box on there.
So you're going to take the cover off?
Yep.
Have to probably scoot back a little bit.
We have no smoke.
You need to smoke them. Nope.
Huh? Hang on, equipment malfunction.
I'll stop it.
Yeah.